Mother Nature can't be fooled.
2, 3, 4.
Mother Nature can't be fooled. She's not by my man-made rules. We've been warned, put on alert. We call her mama, treat her like dirt. She's being attacked, she's being fragged. Why every corner's getting packed? It's time to Mother Nature not ridicule, 'cause Mother Nature can't be fooled. As long as we crave more stuff, as long as more and more is not enough, the world won't be redeemed by that retro rhetoric or even some geoengineering trick. Welfare for the rich, that's the capitalist way. Their motto, make someone else pay. Every action has a consequence. I learned in school, and Mother Nature can't be fooled. In a black hole universe we spin. I say, lucky for the shape we're in. We're hoping the earth will be magically cool. Mother Nature can't be fooled. Home, it's deranged. We're playing a suicide game. Seldom is heard an encouraging word. Our mom's on a runaway train. In a black hole universe we spin. I say, lucky for the shape we're in. We're floating on an emerald jewel, and Mother Nature can't be fooled. Oh, no. Mother Nature, she can't